In this video, I'll show the InDesign script, links, relink, subfolders. This script searches subfolders for missing links and updates all. I'll demonstrate the script in Mac OS. It works the same on Windows. I have an example document open. In the Links panel, we see that all are missing. It's because I moved the files into subfolders for this demonstration. In actual production, this could happen for a number of reasons. For this example, I've organized the images into sections. Could be chapters or any other need to keep files categorized. Whatever the reason, the best solution is to leave the files where they are and use this tool to find the links. I'll show how in InDesign. To run the script, open the Scripts panel. I already have the script installed in InDesign. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the list, select the script, links, relink, subfolders. Double-click to run it. The interface is simple. Choose the folder where the files are located, subfolders and all. This defaults to the usual Links folder alongside the InDesign document file. Click the Folder button to choose any other. Then click OK. The script compiles a list of the files in the folder and all subfolders, then compares names to those in the Links panel and updates any that match. This example isn't many. If you have a lot, be patient. It could take some time, but certainly less than the time to do it manually, and without the risk of choosing the wrong file and relinking to the wrong image. When done, the script lets the user know how many were relinked. In the Links panel, you can see that they are. If you change your mind, go to the Edit menu and select Undo, and it's back to where you started. There is one other potential problem. What happens if files of the same name are in different folders? Maybe they're exact duplicates, but maybe not. If not, the wrong image could be linked. We don't want that. I'll demonstrate how the script handles it. In the Links folder, I'll create a new folder and copy a few files into it, creating duplicates. Now when the script runs, the duplicates are detected and not relinked. A log is written, and the user is notified of the problem. Click the button Open Log and have a look. Track down the problem files and confirm which one is correct. Then relink those manually. Hopefully it's not too many. Still better than having to relink them all manually. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. All comments are welcome, including suggestions for other scripts or how-to for Adobe apps. If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.